Hello, guys. Good evening. Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Good evening and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Can you guys hear me? I hope you can hear me. And let's move ahead to the first problem of the day. Um, I will start with an. Okay, I will start with problem two. Okay. Hello, guys. Yeah. So let's do the first problem, guys. So in the problem, it may be written as problem two because problem one is a little more little more hi. Okay, hello. Yeah. So this problem two. Okay, so problem rather one for you. So the problem says that n is a positive integer and a and b are positive real numbers with a plus b is equal to 2. Then find the smallest possible value of 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 by 1 plus a to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus b to the power n. Okay. So I will give you 2 minutes to think about it and give me hints right now. So think about it, guys. Okay, that's a nice way approach. So Kanishk is telling us that okay, so we can replace b by or rather a by 2 minus b. So you want to take everything inside a single. Okay, that's quite interesting. So we can try that. We can try that. I will give you a few minutes again. Think about it. Let's think about it again. AMGM. So how are you planning to apply AMGM here? Okay, so um this class is for IOQM, so it's till class 8. From class usually around class 8ish, class 8, 7, 8 and above. Okay, I don't know like which class you're in, Srinivasulu. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so maximum value is then 1. Yeah, A and B are positive real numbers and we are not integers. Mm-hmm. So think about it now. How you gonna deal with this? Why we can take a is equal to 1 by b? Because a plus b is equal to 1, it's given. So why you want to take? Yeah, so we cannot really take that, right? So how are you planning to do it? Okay, so someone is trying to expand it. Let's do it. Okay, so expansion is a good idea. So let's try to do it. because it gives us some way out. So let's try to do this expansion. So we get 1, if we expanded 1 plus, so we get 2 plus a to the power n plus b to the power n times 1 plus a to the power n times 1 plus b to the power n. Okay, so for your find like greater than equal to what, right? We define this. Oh, very good. Okay. So we haven't used till now that a plus b is equal to 2, right? How do we use that? That's the big question. How do we use that a plus b is equal to 2? So see, we haven't used that a plus b is equal to 2 as of now. We are still yet to use that. So let's try to use that now. A plus b is equal to what information does it give? A, b are positive numbers. So what information does it give now? Think about it. Yeah, you're right. This its answer is 1, Tisha. No, we haven't done problem 1 because problem 1 is a little bit big to read. So I thought that I could give it later on because it can demotivate you. Why n be reciprocals? That's my question, is that why n be reciprocals? So let's expand this one. Yeah, the answer is 1. A bar, oh, sorry, it's a plus b is equal to, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay, so since greater than equal to this, can you put in the hint 1 is that put an upper bound on 1 plus a to the power n plus b to the power n plus ab whole to the power n. Put an upper bound on this. Because that will become a lower bound for this, right? Less than equal to something. Try to find an upper bound for this. I don't know what is the source of this problem, Raghav. Okay, so Saurav tells AMGM gives AB less than equal to 1. Okay, perfect, but how does that help? So we'll tell that what is AMGM, but if we see the answer is like the question demands it. No, previous RMO problem, it is not previous RMO problem. Previous RMO problem are discussed, I think. Upper bound means you have to find less than equal to something. Less than equal to what is this something? Okay, so okay. Sure, Srinidhi, I will Varadarajan. I will surely listen to it. So let's see what Saurdeep is saying. It's saying that if you use this, you can get 1 plus a to the power n plus b to the power n plus ab whole to the power n is less than equal to. He's saying that twice plus a to the power n plus b to the power n. Can all of you get this? Why this is true? Yeah, yeah, sure. So you can say share your solutions, Srinida, Varadarajan. Surely. Okay, so yeah, so we got this upper bound. Then what can we do now? So can anyone see the solution right away now? Can you see the solution right away? Perfect, perfect. So therefore, what do we get? We get that this is less than equal to this. So now this will be greater than equal to if x by y. If you get y is less than equal to c, you get x by y is greater than equal to x by c, right? If x is positive. Since these are positive, this is less greater than equal to twice by a to the power n plus b to the power n whole to the power by 2 plus a to the power n plus b to the power n, which is equal to 1. So the minimum value is 1. Okay. So and the minimum values occurred at which values of a and b? Which values of a and b it occurs? The minimum value occurs at a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. A is equal to b is equal to 1 because that's why the inequality is equal to both are equal. Okay. A b equal to a is equal to b is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, the minimum possible value is what? 1, right? Half and half. All of understood it, guys? Any doubts? All of understood this problem? Can you generalize this problem, guys? What if it was a plus b plus c plus c to the power n and it was a plus b plus c is equal to 3, say? What could have done it? So solve this problem now. I generalize this problem to a plus b plus c is equal to 3 and this one a plus b plus c plus 1 by 1 plus whole to the power c to the power n. Think about this problem now. No, you are not. You can surely use that. No, but I don't use. I don't understand Yuvraj Singh that like what do you want to say? There is no sequence and convergence over here. Anyways, so no, no. There is. I mean, I don't know any other way, but there can be other ways too. I mean, this is the easiest way, isn't it? What I can see. And sure, Amit, tell us it out. Okay, AB, yeah. So yeah, I should get to this one. How is AB less than equal to 1? That's a very good question. That is called AMGM inequality. So what is AMGM inequality for two variables? It's very simple. It tells that if A and B are positive, then A plus B greater than equal to twice root AB. Why this is true? Because if you write A root A, you can write this root A minus root B whole square is greater than equal to 0. You can write this inequality as it's if and only if. You just take this here, write A is root A whole square, B is root B whole square, and take this here, so you get root A minus root B whole square greater than equal to 0, which is of course true. So therefore this is true. And if you just put it over here, A plus B is equal to 2, so you get twice greater than equal to twice root AB. And you get that from here, AB is less than equal to 1. Did you get it, guys? Yeah, you're right, Tishika. You're right, Tishika. Sure, you can ask any other doubt. Amit, yeah, of course, you're here to understand all your doubt. Answer will be 1.5, Sauradeep? I can see the answer is 1, right? Oh, it's here in this case, in 3 case, okay. So then, okay, if you have found out, then try to find the general case, a plus b plus c whole to the power n. A plus b plus c is equal to n के लिए find out. So we'll now do the general case, okay? So all of you understood any doubts till this point, guys? Any doubts till this point? So can we ask these questions as objective also and numerical type also? Okay, guys, any doubts? Yeah, I will do the generalized one now soon. Yeah. So we will do the generalized one soon. So generalized problem is this, that so instead of we have done this for that, if a plus b, ab greater than 0 is equal to 2, then we have shown that the minimum value of 1 plus 1 plus a by a to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus b to the power n is the minimum value is 1, right? We have shown this. So now we are trying to find out for a plus b plus c is equal to 3 के लिए. We are trying to find the minimum value of 1 plus a to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus c to the power n. इसका minimum value क्या होगा? And then finally the super version, that is the final version, a plus b plus c plus, let's not call a plus b plus c, let's call a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 an is greater than, okay, all of them are greater than 0, okay, is equal to n. So therefore you are trying to find out that 1 plus 1 by a1 whole to the power, okay, you can take it as k, okay, for any positive integer k. Observe that AB less than AP plus whole to the power n less than or equal to 1. This has a big value, okay? If it was not n, if it was not less than or equal to, so therefore don't think that if you just change it from 2 to something else, it will be really easy, okay? You just change it from 2 to k, you will see the answer will be very different to alpha. It will not be same for k, any k, okay? So to understand this, at this is 2 has a very big role. Okay, let's take it as whole to the power k plus 1 plus 1 by a2 is greater than or equal to n whole to the power k. इसका minimum value क्या होगा? Okay, so I'll give you a few minutes to think about it and find the general result. I will give you a few minutes to think about it, okay? I don't know, I have given you a problem, think about it, Saurabh. We may not solve this now. If I think it's a little bit difficult, I just thought of this problem now, okay? If you think it's a little bit difficult, I will not do this problem. I will give it as a homework. I will go on to the next problem because we have some time limits and we have something to think about other problems too. But my suggestion is to you, when you're preparing for some exam, just for the fun of mathematics, like always solve this problem generalized version so that it can enhance your intellectual capabilities, okay, and thinking style. It will not only help in your like getting better also help in your research and your thinking and problem solving skills. Okay, that's how all good problem solvers are shun their arsenal of knowledge. Okay, shun their perimeter. So that's the idea. Anyway, so enough of gyan, let's solve the problem. So let's solve it for a plus b plus c is equal to 3. Think about it. How can you do it? Think about it. Just think about it. So I will just compute something. Let's see if we can just do in the same manner also. We have done in the previous case that it is now a bit difficult. Not difficult actually, but it's now 1 plus a to the power k plus 1 by b to the power k. So we will actually see a generalized method maybe to solve it in a better way if there exists 1 plus a to the power plus 1 plus b whole to the power k into 1 plus c whole to the power k. If you do it, we found out some interesting stuff over here. So 1 plus, if you just add it up, you will get this one, a plus a k plus b k plus c k, okay, plus ab whole to the power k. Oh, I see. I know, plus bc whole to the power k plus ac whole to the power k plus abc whole to the power k. It's kind of difficult because abc has come, but ab, bc and ac also are there, okay? So it may be a little bit difficult. So okay, so in the previous problem, you have found that if given a plus b is equal to and ab are positive numbers, you have to find the minimum value of this. Okay, and we have found out it to be 1. Now in this case, we just find out if a plus b plus c is equal to 3, what is the minimum value of this for any k? Okay, so in this problem, I'm just generalizing this a plus b plus 2, a plus b equal to a plus b plus c is equal to 3, and from this to this, and find the possible values of smallest possible value of this. Okay. So what is saying, if you put a plus b plus c is equal to 1, you get the result to be 1.5. But is it really true? Can you get 1.5 so easily? That's my question is. Okay, that's it. Simple stuff. Okay. Okay. So how will you find it? So it's not an easy problem as per se. So how will you really find it? Think about it, guys. Sure, Amit, you can ask a doubt, surely. If we couldn't solve this problem, Saurdeep, I will give it in the superstars problem group that we have. So Saurdeep, can you write down this problem in LaTeX and give it to me so that I can post it in superstars AOPS group? I don't know this. Okay, Superstars is the like the okay, Superstar is the best program of Chinta which we have. For the people, for these people, like we select handful, select a few people for Superstars batch of Chinta. So we have to give an exam, you have to get recommended by the faculty, and then you have to appear for the exam. If you get selected to the exam, then you are. And Superstars batches are like it's a very, it's the most of the creamiest batch of Chinta. Okay, so but it's not really easy. You have to be very consistent. You wear their monthly exams. We have to check it, and if people score constantly bad, they also remove from Superstars batch. So it's not really easy to be in the Superstar. It's, you have to really work hard. But so you sort of get the best of mathematics in there. I mean, the not best in some sense. I mean, the hardest of mathematics over there. Really deep problem solving stuff. So yes. Okay. Anyway, so okay. So Amit, how in the previous one? How? Okay, sure. So in the previous problem, is we have got AB whole to the AB is less than equal to 1. So if you do power of it, it will be AB whole to the power n less than equal to 1, right? So therefore this less than equal to 2, AB this is less than equal to 1. So therefore this plus this is less than equal to 2 plus a to the power n plus b to the power n. Did you understand it now, Amit? So Tisha, which level you are in, so that I can. So also only level 4 people can do. So you have to. I mean, also they need to be recommended by the faculty of Chinta. Hello, Aditya. Okay, so okay, so any ideas, guys? Okay, then you have to like get promoted to level 4, and then we will slowly get access to this depending on your performance. Okay, so I constantly check the performance of the students. Sure, Sauradev. Any ideas, guys? Okay, I think it's taking much of our time, so I think I will give it for the superstar. I will leave it for you to think about it and get back to me. Okay, and okay, so let's move on to the next problem. I think it can take some time, so let's move on to the next problem. Problem. Okay, this is an easy problem. It's a number theory basic problem. I think it's a basic for those who are just starting out with number theory stuff. So I think you can really do it. It's a basic number theory problem. No, I cannot really wait. I mean, you can tell it to me in personally. For three, symmetry. Yeah. Think about it and let me know. Okay. Okay, for IOQM, sometimes I cannot think of any answer. What would be the best answer choice in IB? I don't know, like you should you attempt it? I don't know. I shouldn't. If I wouldn't know or solve your problem, I wouldn't have attempted it. So you don't worry, Amit. We will if you perform well in Chinta and our activities, we'll slowly you will slowly get promoted to that batch. Don't worry about that. Okay, so this problem is really easy. Okay, so let me solve this problem. It's a basic number theory problem. Okay, so try to understand this. So by the way, let me show some definition. A divides B means, this means A divides B. That means B is a multiple of A. Okay, if this happens, then what we will get is that one largest positive integer n, for which n cube plus 2006 is divisible by n plus 226. So n plus 26 divides n cube plus 2006. So this is the idea. Please don't tell. I know you know Saurabh, this one. So please write down the LaTeX code of the uh, that problem. Okay. Yeah. Uh, okay. So Srinidhi Varadarajan. It's like sort of Chinta Superstars is sort of the best batch of Chinta, which you have to achieve by good performance and consistent performance of yours by recommendation of your faculty, and then you have to give a very interesting exam that we will conduct, and you have to give the solution, and we will check it, and then not here last or they send it in me and WhatsApp. I will upload it in super in the LaTeX in the IOP's group. Yeah, exactly. It's for the IOPS for the super search. Anyways, so uh okay, so let's do this problem. It's a very easy problem. So what we will do is something called polynomial division. Okay, so it's called polynomial division. So like n cube plus 2006 is a 3 degree polynomial. Okay, cubic polynomial, and if you take this as a quotient, as a divisor, this is a divisor, this is a dividend, then this will have a quotient, okay, usually of even degree of sorry, quadratic, so that the n cube get cancelled, and the remainder will be a constant, a simple constant. So try to find this stuff that such that the remainder is a constant. And as Soradev has told, try to find this up, guys. Try to find this up. So I think Soradev has told n plus 206, n plus 26 is n minus this one. So I think I will show it to you on the. So it's n cube plus 2006 is n plus 26 into n square minus. So he has shown that it's n square minus 26 plus 676 plus some c. What is a c? That c is minus 15570. So what we have got? We have got that n plus 26 divides n plus 26 times minus 226, actually 26n na, I think 26n plus 676 minus 15570. Okay, this is the first hint. Exactly, difference of cubes maybe. Yep, exactly, difference of cubes. So we have done n cube. So essentially you can also do it as observe that n plus 20, n cube plus 26 cube. This is divisible by n plus 26. Okay, this divides this because n cube plus a plus b divides a to the power n plus b to the power n for any real number a and b, and n odd number. Okay, because if you just factorize it happens. So therefore also in integer. Okay, so therefore you get that n plus 26 also divides this n cube plus 2006. So therefore if you just subtracted these two guys, what will happen? See, if a divides x and a divides b y, then a divides also divides x minus y, right? Difference of two multiples of a is also a multiple of a. So therefore you get that n plus 26 divides n cube plus 26 whole cube minus n cube plus, that is n cube is cancelled, is 26 cube minus 2006, which will turn out to be 15570. Okay, so therefore we get that n plus 26 divides 15570, and you have to find the minimum possible value of n, sorry, largest possible value. So therefore you have to find the largest possible factor of this. What's the largest possible factor? 1550. Okay, and therefore you get that it's minus 26 is the answer. This minus 26 is the answer, because that's what n is equal to. And what would happen, what will be the smallest possible find answer? Just find the minimum, find the smallest divisor of this, that minus 26 greater than 26. Okay, because n is a positive number, it will be minus, it will be plus. All of you understood it, guys? Any doubts, guys? All of you understood it? Yeah, but what if the question was the smallest possible factor? What will be the solution, Tisha? No, if smallest possible value is 1, n minus 26, 1 minus 26 will be negative. So therefore, it will not, we have to find the smallest possible factor of 15570, which is greater than 26. Sure, I think I don't know about your basic, like what knowledge you have regarding this, Amit. Which level you are in, Amit, in Chinta? Sure, I will explain. So we have used the following stuff. Observe this very carefully. N plus 26 divides n cube plus 26 cube. Did all of you understand this? Tishika, did you understand this? Amit, did you understand this? Also, we have this n plus 26 divides n cube plus 2006. So therefore, this implies what? N plus 26 divides n cube plus 26 cube minus n cube plus 2006 cube, which is equal to 15570. Therefore, what means n plus 1 is a factor of 15570, and n plus, if n is the largest positive number, so the n plus 26 must be the largest possible factor. Largest possible factor of this is equal to what? Is equal to 15770, 15570, the same number. Therefore, you get n is equal to this minus this, it is 15544. Did you understand, Tishika, now? Amit, did you understand? All of you understood? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts, guys? I haven't received it yet. Sauradeep. Okay. May I move on to the next problem, guys? Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Let's move on to the next problem. Yeah, n is odd. That's the idea. Yes, you're right. Srinidhi Varadarajan. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. I don't know, maybe it's the last problem for today. I don't know, depending upon your speed. Fine. This is quite interesting. This is really interesting. It's like not interesting, but in like it's important sort of. I like this sort of problem. Hmm. No, not this one, Sauradeep. I wanted you to send me the problem of the generalized problem that I made for a1 plus a2 dot an. Why did you send the? Oh. Okay, let's do this problem, guys. So suppose the two roots of the equation are okay. So let's try to understand this. How will you do this? Uh, so two roots of the equation are this. Okay. So how do you really get this? Like how do you approach this problem, guys? Tell me. Observe this that x square minus 10x is same. Okay, that's the main basic idea. X square minus 10x is same. So you can sort of get this in a mind, and you can sort of make this. You can sort of take this as some constant. So lambda. So what do you get? Because this 10x is same. So 1 by lambda plus 1 by minus 27 minus 45. That is minus 16. Okay. Lambda minus 16. Here minus twice lambda minus what? Minus 40 is equal to 0. So observe that if you just change it on this side now, suppose lambda is not equal to 0, lambda is not equal to 16, and lambda is suppose these are not 0. Okay, suppose these are not 0, any no, a plus, and so lambda is not equal to 40. Okay, as these are none of the 0. Suppose then what we will get? Show that this is a quadratic in lambda. Show that. I will give you some time. Show that this is a quadratic in lambda. I will give you some time to think about it, guys. Think about it, guys. Think about it. Think about it. I gave you some hints, so think about it. Tell me what is a quadratic is. find out the quadratic. So no, we will see, okay? We will see that, yeah, it will be undefined. If it's 0, it will be undefined. If it happens, it will be undefined. So we will see that whether it can really happen that way or not. Okay, we will got, okay, Tisha got, can you just tell me the quadratic so that I can help you? I mean, I can do it step by step. Can you just tell me the quadratic, Tisha? Okay, what ideas do you have? Aditya, I mean, you just tasted on your basic mathematical skills in trial class, okay, nothing more. So if you have a basic hold on mathematics, you are just, it's sort of interview. Okay, so what is the interview? Okay, perfect. It gets an E. Okay, that's really interesting. So it's not a quadratic, okay? It's a linear. It turns out to be linear. Let's calculate it. So it's lambda minus 16 times lambda minus 40 plus lambda minus 40 times lambda minus twice lambda into lambda minus 16. You can easily understand that lambda square, and minus twice lambda square will get cancelled. So you get minus 56 lambda plus 40 into 16, that is 64, 640. Okay, one second, what really happened? Yeah, plus lambda square will get minus, so minus 50 at 40 lambda minus plus 32 lambda is equal to 0. So what you got? You got that minus 96 plus 30. So okay, so you get 64 lambda is equal to 640. So you get lambda is equal to 10. Perfect. So you get lambda is equal to 10. So you can easily get from lambda is equal to 10. So if it's, so therefore it can never be 0, 16 or 40 from here. Okay. So if it must be lambda is equal to, if it's 0 then it must be 10. So therefore you got that lambda is equal to 10 only. So therefore you get lambda is equal to 10. So therefore you get that x square minus lambda is equal to this minus 10x minus 29 is equal to 10. So you can get again a quadratic in x. So x square minus 10x minus 39 is equal to 0. So find the roots of this. So therefore this turns out that this means what are the roots of this. So find it out. What are the roots of this? So the roots of essentially will be same as x square minus 10x minus 39. All of you understood this? Any doubts, guys? Any doubts, guys? You're right. So therefore, try to understand this is a step jump in some sense. You get that this is, if you just sum it up, then you get it's lambda minus 10 equal to 0. It comes out right. You just sum it up, what you get lambda minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, and which is same as x square minus 10x minus 39 is equal to 0. Therefore you get that the roots of this equation are only, it's a quadratic root. Okay, so therefore what do you get? Therefore the roots of an equation in x are alpha and beta, and therefore you know this face x minus alpha and x minus beta is there, and if you just expand it will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So therefore alpha plus beta is the coefficient of x minus alpha plus beta is coefficient of minus of x, right? Therefore, it's alpha plus beta is equal to 10 from here by comparing. All of you understood it, guys? Any doubts? Guys? Perfect. It's called Vieta's relation, you're right. Thank you. Okay, so let's move on to the last problem for today. I've never used other backgrounds. Let's see how it looks like. I think this background is better because my handwriting will become better here, I guess. Problem 1 is really bad. I don't know. It's a very big problem. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's fine. Can you just give me the link of EOPS once or the? Oh, I think I've given it before. Let me check. I will post it there as now. Okay, think about this problem, guys. I have posted the problem in Superstars. Okay. Sure, I can surely solve the first problem. And the reading problem will take at least 5 minutes. So, okay, so I can leave you with the homework problems of this two, as this two. This is the problem 1. Problem 1, problem 2 are like the given problem. In WhatsApp. So think about this problem. I will do the first problem, okay? How do you find a to the power a, x to the power 5, b x to the power 5? Let's think about it. So consider this relationship. Always, so whenever you're doing this problem, na, so I'm deleting this problem. Let not delete this problem. Always, when you're doing this problem, consider this is the following hint. So always try to consider how you can relate this to other So use this following hint, guys. Please take the screenshot, guys. Kanishk, please take the screenshot. Go to the YouTube back and take the screenshot, and I hope you can see it from there. Very good. So is this called actually induction recurrence relation? Okay. If you call this A5, so you can sort of understand, not A5, say Z5. Okay, so understand Z5 is actually Z4 times x plus y minus Z3 times xy. Okay, so therefore if you are just need to find x plus y and xy from here. So in general you can simply find Zn is equal to Zn minus 1 times x plus y minus Zn minus 2 times xy. Okay, suppose you know z1 zn minus 1 and zn minus 2, you can find out suppose given that you know x plus y and xy. Okay, the problem is that how can you find x plus y and xy from here? That's the problem. Now observe that you can get a relationship out of here. So therefore if you consider this xy as lambda and let's say alpha and beta, okay, let's consider xy as alpha and xy as beta. So what do we get? You get that so let's consider, so this is what z1, z2, z3, z4. So you get that z3 is equal to z2 alpha plus z1 beta, right? Minus z1 beta, sorry. Z4 is equal to what? Z3 alpha minus z2 beta. So therefore since you know z1, z2, z1, z3, z4, so you find out two linear relationships from in A and alpha and beta. So you get alpha and beta from here, and you just put it here, you get z5, and in fact you can get any zn from here. Okay, all of you understood how to do it? All of you understood the algorithm behind this, guys? All of you understood it, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? So we're connecting. So it's all about the recurrence. This is called recurrence relation. All about connecting this chip. And you can understand to find any cn only just we need therefore x alpha and beta. So therefore if you have information till this point, you can find any zn, not only z5 but you can also find z6. Okay, so it can be a good so if you are asked to find z13, okay, so you can just find out till so z7, so you can also ask to find out instead of this, you have to find out z5 then z6 and then get alpha and beta to get z7. Okay, very good. Okay, so the homework problem is this for you. Think about it's a combinatorics problem. It's a very easy problem. Okay, it's a very easy problem. It looks big, that's it. It's like it's a two hint problem, but it's interesting. It will just revise your basics. Okay, so just basic multiplication principle of combinatorics. So do this problem, guys, and we will get back to you soon with the next set of problems in the next class. Till then, good night and see you in the next class. All the best. Sure, Amit, go ahead. What do you want to ask me? I don't know. I have to just check. I think the problem of the answer of the last problem is if P5 is, I don't know. I think it's 14. It's 16 into 38 minus 14 into 42 into 14. 16 into 38 minus 42 into 14. You just check it. Yeah, alpha and beta can be negative. I think alpha and beta have found, we have found alpha and beta to be minus 14 and minus 38. It will turn out here. Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. I hope you understood this, Amit. Uh, and I see you in the next class. Bye bye. All of you. Bye bye. Good night. Stay tuned and stay blessed.